This is Cyndy G, and in this video, we're assembling the Gnome Frankenstein lantern. Okay. This is a real simple design, quick to put together. I have already put all of my vellum pieces on the back of my lantern, and I inked everything in green because it is Frankenstein. So I am going to start here with his hat. Now on this one, unlike some of the other ones, I did not extend his beard up into the hat, which I do because it sometimes helps with just like the stability of the piece. But because I wanted the black behind the cutouts, I just made this piece fit just right in here, okay? So this just fits right up underneath that. And this is the start of his beard. And then we have some hands here, which I also did in green. And then you're going to glue on the other hand. And then we have these three pieces here that make up his mouth and nose. So you're just going to glue his mustache here, and you can see where it fits on. This gives him a little bit of a mouth, shows you where to put the nose. Put the nose right on there. And then this piece is going to come on here, and it's just going to butt right up against the hat. Okay, so you're just going to do it just right up on there. Okay. There we go. So there is our Frankenstein. The next pieces that go on are these, and we have one piece that has cutouts on the top and bottom, on the top and the top and bottom on the bottom, and then the other one just has cutouts, one on the top and one on the bottom. So the first one to go on is this one, and it's gonna just slide right up in there. Oops. Okay, and now Just kind of do the same thing with the next one. Now, if you're having trouble getting these in because you're thinking there's not a slot for it to go into, you've put them in the wrong order. So just take a look at them, switch them around, and then it should work for you. So then these pieces, one goes in the top and one goes in the bottom. And okay, let me get this going here. There we go. And you're just going to move these pieces around, one section in each one. Okay. And then there's little notches in here that you can see it here, I think. You can see it right in here. You need to tuck this piece up in there. And that's what holds it in place. Okay, I think I have that one in there. All right. And now for the bottom. And we do the same thing for the bottom. For me, this is the most difficult part of this whole project. And again, we just want to make sure that we get it tucked under each of the notches. There we go. Okay. And then I'm going to put one in on each side. And then there are notches on these two so that they don't, so I live in North Carolina. We have pretty high humidity. When the first time that I made one of these lanterns, I did not have the notches, and the humidity made my pieces droop down. So I had to include notches that I just kind of lightly pull my pieces into to prevent it from drooping and falling out. So that is the purpose of these notches. It's just because of the humidity in my area. That's how they came about. And I just kind of pinch it in there. And I have two more. And it's just enough of a hold just to hold it in. You can still get them out and flatten your lantern for storage. It just gives you just enough, like I said, for the humidity in my area. There. And so there is the Frankenstein lantern. Thank you for joining me.